Thank you for viewing this tour. If you would like a private showing of this home, please contact Kathy Stenson at 281-728-3948. Welcome to 15,711 Rolling Timbers. This is a beautifully maintained home located in Bear Creek Village, where mature trees are plentiful and conveniently located close to Highway 290, Interstate 10, and Beltway 8 for easy commuting to anywhere in the Houston area. Neighborhood elementary school that is zoned to Katy ISD, a neighborhood park, tennis court, pickleball court, and 2 pools for residents to enjoy, a nicely appointed kitchen, and the living area has a brick fireplace with gas logs. The master bedroom is huge with a custom walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom located on the first floor. The secondary bedrooms are large and have beautiful built-ins, and one of them has a cute balcony overlooking the beautifully landscaped front yard. There is a half bath for your guests and a nice mudroom connecting the attached garage to the home. Good-sized laundry room located inside the home.